Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So friend, today we will learn about how to create a database in a P6 Professional, or you can say in Primavera. So for that, just you have to search is P6 Professional, here it is, and we can click here and go for a run as administrator. And here it is opening. Click it, yes. See, here it comes. First, I will tell you about the what is database. See, database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed from a computer system. Similarly, Primavera also have a database. So we can create a database in a Primavera by the following step. First, open P6 Professional, that is from the start window that we have already done it. Second, click on the database here. Here we have just click it. On just add, click on add button and give name to your database alias. Any name you can give it. Okay, then select driver type, that is P6 Pro standalone SQLite, and then go for it next and remove the mark from the load sample data and go for the next. If you want to remove, then you can go for a new database, or you want to just existing database, then we click here and then go to next. And here we can go for the file name where you want to save that file, and this is given here. Then go for the next, and then click on the finish. See, here you got it, the new database, that is name is P6 Professional 4, and there are also present different database, that is name of Pankaj, PDMB and other. So you can go for any available database. This is the available database. And then if you want to delete a database in the Primavera, then go for the following step, that is select any available database that you want to delete. Just select it P6 Professional 4 and go for click on delete button. And here you want to remove the database, option come, click on the yes, and you can see you have already deleted P6 Professional 4 database. Okay, so this is the first step. So how to create a database and how to delete a database in the Primavera. Thank you so much.